The 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica is a rally-ready motorcycle built for those who seek to replicate the success of KTM's Dakar-winning machines. As the most successful bike in Dakar history, with 10 out of 19 wins and 235 stage victories, the KTM 450 Rally Replica represents KTM's commitment to performance and innovation. Developed, designed, and produced in Austria, this machine offers off-the-shelf access to the technology, features, and build quality found in KTM's factory rally bikes. The 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica is designed for serious riders who need a high-performance, durable, and adaptable machine capable of conquering the harshest conditions. Engineered for rally performance. At the heart of the 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica lies the renowned KTM SOHC 450 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine. Known for its reliability and efficiency over long and grueling rally stages, the engine has been further refined for 2025 with a newly designed SOHC cylinder head and improved port shapes. The bike's titanium valves, operated by DLC-coated rocker arms, enhance performance while ensuring maximum reliability under pressure. Additionally, the engine is paired with a reinforced clutch and gearbox, making it capable of enduring the rigorous demands of rally racing. The electronic fuel injection and advanced Keihin EFI provide optimized throttle response and rally-specific ECU mappings for superior power delivery across all terrains. The 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica also features a titanium Akrapovič exhaust system, which is tuned for rally use. This exhaust not only contributes to the bike's weight reduction but also includes a hydroformed section at the bottom to maximize ground clearance, vital for navigating tough rally stages. Suspension and handling. The suspension system of the 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica is tailored for peak performance in the most challenging environments. It comes equipped with fully adjustable WP Pro component suspension, allowing riders to fine-tune the setup based on their preferences, weight, and the varying types of terrain encountered during a rally. The bike also features adjustable handlebars, ensuring a comfortable and customizable riding position for long days on the rally circuit. Whether you're tackling rocky mountain passes or sandy desert dunes, the 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica has the suspension technology to keep the ride smooth and stable. Cooling and durability. A key upgrade for the 2025 model is the new radiator concept, featuring 2 independent radiators instead of 1. This dual-radiator system not only enhances cooling efficiency but also provides a backup in case one of the radiators is damaged during a race. The 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica is built for extreme conditions, ensuring it remains cool and operational even in the hottest environments. Advanced technology. For those who prefer the latest technology, the 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica is compatible with a digital roadbook system, which has been fine-tuned and tested under racing conditions for greater accuracy and user-friendliness. However, for those who prefer traditional methods, the bike still comes with a conventional paper roadbook system in the bike. This flexibility makes the KTM 450 Rally Replica adaptable to different rider preferences and rally formats. A new LED headlight system provides an impressive 33% increase in light output, which is crucial for early starts, night racing, and navigating through misty conditions. The headlight ensures that riders can clearly see their path, whether on long, dark stretches or in low-visibility environments. Design and customization. The 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica is designed with customization in mind. The bike's all-white bodywork comes with a sticker graphic kit in the bike, allowing riders to design their own race livery with sponsor logos, team graphics, or personal touches. This gives riders the flexibility to truly make the bike their own, whether for competition or personal pride. Price and availability. While the exact price of the 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica can vary by region and dealer, the bike is positioned as a high-performance, factory-level machine available directly to the public. This unique offering is aimed at competitive riders and privateers who want a factory-spec machine without the factory price tag of a bespoke racing bike. The bike's design, features, and performance come at a premium, making it an investment for serious rally competitors. For those ready to race, this is the bike that offers the closest experience to a true factory race bike available on the market.